Hello guys, welcome back to the garden. Today this is the side of the garden, guys. I never showing you. As you guys see, there was a big trees over here. It was a beautiful tree. She was protecting me or protecting the garden for sun when it's hot or cold. But guys, this tree decided to fall down when I have all my fruit trees there. There's a lot of damage there, but since you guys know I have a lot of fruit tree, I'm okay with that, but there's nothing I can do. But I came this morning to watering some plant. As you guys can see, all of those pots here used to have some plant. Like you see, as this one, that was a beautiful rose tree. But since that big tree fall down, and then I never have chance to have access to them, to water them, and they die. I lost a lot of beautiful plants, but what I can do, I can just move on from it, and then I can to water them as much I can. That's what I don't like coming here, guys. It's stress to seeing all those plants. I spend time, I spend a lot of money caring for them, and they're not doing okay. And look at that big tree. And I'm planning to, next month, I'm planning to pay some worker to come here to put all those trees on the back, because where I rent the place, there's a little bit of land, and that man told me I can move them, remove them from there, and then I can move them on the back, all the way on the back. I think that's what I'm going to do next month. But I came to water them. It's a lot of them are dying, really. When I say dying, dying badly. They really dying. But that's this garden, guys. All the way over there, those are fruit trees. As you guys can see, more mango, even mango here are flowering without me taking care of them. Oh, and I'm watering, as you said. As I said, I'm just gonna go and look at where I'm going. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm going. I don't know if there's some snake or not, or if this tree will fall down on me. I don't know. That's what I don't really like coming here, because I saw 2 snakes one time. I was almost lost it.